In ZWCAD 2025, document tabs can be dragged out of the program as a separate window, making it easier to view multiple drawings at the same time. When you open multiple files in ZWCAD, you can drag them out as a floating window. If you have two monitors, you can move the floating window onto another monitor. Floating windows can be combined to manage documents easier. The floating window function allows you to easily perform operations such as copying and pasting between drawings when you use one drawing as reference. You can drag any document out of ZWCAD as a floating window to view multiple drawings simultaneously, without having to switch between tabs or launch two or more programs. Interested in it? Download ZWCAD 2025 and try it now.